before we actually go, I'm gonna show you the General Electric one. You see how much it is, just like the Gold Star one. Let's try to get some light. It's pretty clean, actually. Well, it's pretty yellow out there, but that's probably from sun exposure. So, got the register here. This will be pretty much the same as the Gold Star one, but same the BTUs there are. 5150. Oh. So it is still in the 5,000 BTU range. Filter. That's a little clean. What about the coils? Coils look okay. There's the back side. You can see there's a little bit of rust right there. That Cats did a number on it. You can see the weird notch thing. Looks like it had been rebranded. It might have been a Gold Star at one point. Yeah, let's give it a power on. I do have it plugged in over there. I did run it on the fan before, but I never ran it on the compressor before. Where is the compressor? Let's see if we can look at the compressor. There it is. It's an LG compressor. So it definitely was rebranded from a Gold Star. Now there's some like weird pebbles in there. Alright, so let's give it power up. I don't know what the compressor sounds like on here, but I can probably imagine. There's a low fan. That's low fan. Let's go to high fan. Smells kind of funky. This was at my aunt's house. Kitty, stay away from it. I know what you're thinking, and you're not going to get to do that. I do like the design of these, though. They're low profile, and they're pretty nice. See the spin down of both of them. Nice long spin down time. Now you can see it clicks on around the beginning. So, let's do this. It's a nice sounding compressor. Sounds like it might have a lubrication issue. It's a very nice sounding compressor. I could listen to that all day. It was only starting to get cool. This thing hasn't been running in quite a long time. There isn't a lot of airflow through the coils in the back. It probably needs cleaned. Still not very much. The condenser's probably wearing a sweater. And there's a lot of air moving on this side. Yeah, that was the little General Electric air conditioner. I'll do a review on the Gold Star counterpart of this thing. The main thing that's different is the bearings on mine are shot. So the fan sounds like crap. Sounds like this one has a faster speed fan on it than the other one, though. So that's probably why. You know what? I'm just gonna set you there for a second while I wrap it. This one has a faster fan speed. That might be why. Actually, check the refrigerant. What kind of refrigerant is it using? Refrigerant, where are you? R22. Oh, okay. So I guessed wrong. This thing uses R22 refrigerant. For those of you who don't know, you're the 1% of my audience. I saw that one video, but it was supposed to be on my Rock Mount Silver, but it ended up accidentally being on my little rant. When I thought art 410 was a quicker sector, I should why art 22 was better. There we go. So yeah, most of the time it just sits right here. My grandpa, this was supposed to be from this came from my aunt's house. It was for my grandpa to use in his room, because he always gets caught up with heat stroke because of the hot days, and he's kind of against AC, but, so yeah, it just sits down here now. I have it covered with the bag so it doesn't get messed up. And that's the video.